Well, it looks like Adrian has done some new shopping and not told us about it. So we're going to unbox this nice little package and he can find out what it is when we get back. This is quite packaging to open. Use the scissors that are provided. I hope this isn't something nasty. What about you, Abby?
I think not.
Oh my lord. Ooh, I like the case.
Free box.
Free box.
Again.
We love our free boxes.
Pretty. Moment of truth. Oh. It's actually quite nice. I'm not gonna lie.
Yes. It's okay. Very light. Extremely light. Nice rattle.
As always.
And that's it. Personally wouldn't wear it. What about you, Abby?
Yeah, I personally wouldn't, but it's not that bad.
Your dad might like it.
Yeah, he probably will.
I mean, it's a Casio, he's going to like it. Well, that's us out.